Hey, how's it going? So I want to quickly break down and show you how and why to use, or an example of how to use Metafields on your Shopify store. So first I'm going to show you how you can actually set up a Metafield. So what you want to do is, now that you're on your admin panel, you want to come down here to where it says settings. And then where it has this list of options here, scroll down until you see custom data. So here's where you can add this custom data or Metafields on your Shopify store. So for this example, we want to add specific information to products on the store. You notice here you can target products, variants, collections, customers, orders, a lot of different information on your store, but for this example, we're going to target products. So what you want to do is come here, click on products, and then you want to click on add definition. You want to add a definition to this product. So in this example here, we're going to type in limited edition like this. And let's save that. And then here we want to say it like this. So products that are in limited edition, and the name of that metafield is going to be called limited edition. The next thing that we have to do is select a type. So for the example that we're going to be doing, basically what this example is products that are in limited edition. We want to add a piece of text under the product that's just going to say, this product is in limited edition. Products that they're not in limited edition, it's just not going to say anything. So we only want to target products that are in limited edition. So the next thing you want to do is select a type. So we're going to select a type. And again, because we said we want a piece of text to come under that product, let's click single line text like this. So now we have everything set up here. We want to come here and we're going to click save. So now this specific metafield is saved. We have it set up. But now we actually have to get it attached to the product so that we can show it. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually set this up. So the next thing that you want to do is, let's close out of this. You want to come to the products on your store. So select the product that you want to add this metafield to, and then you want to come down here. So this is the top here. Scroll down until you see Metafield at the bottom right here, Metafields. So you notice that it has this text input here. So let's say, to make this very simple, if this product is in limited edition, if you know this product is in limited edition, you would type something here. Now, the good thing about Metafield is that this is not going to show on every specific product. So let me show you here. So let's type this here. This product is in limited edition. Okay, so we're going to save that. So let's save this. We're going to save that Metafield. Now, we're going to come down to the next product here. Now, you notice when you come down here that it doesn't show, but if you come back here to this first one, it shows there. So it's good because we don't want this piece of text to come on every product. We only want it to come on the products that are in limited edition. So we have this Metafield saved. Now the next step is actually putting it on the store. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come here, sales channels, your online store. So now you're coming to your theme editor. And there's a side point is there's many different ways of how, if you wanted to show a piece of text under your product, there's many different ways how to do this. This is just one way that I'm showing you, but there's a lot of ways that you can set this up. But this is a simple way if you want to go and get yourself up and running to set this up. So the next thing you want to do is you want to customize your theme. Now, because we said we wanted to appear on the product page, we're going to come here and we're going to select products and we're going to click default product. Default product is your default setup that you have for your product view. Now, let's say we want that text, let's say we want it to come maybe under shipping and returns. So that would be down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back here. We're going to add a new block and we're going to call it a text because remember we said we want a text to appear. And then we're going to drag this under shipping and returns. So it's down here. Next thing we want to do is we want to select this block like this. And you see this icon, this like 3 stacked circles. This is to connect a dynamic source. So click on this here. And you notice that this has our Metafield right here. So we'll click on this. But you'll notice that, so let's actually remove this text block text because we don't need that. You notice that it doesn't show because it's not that men's beard product that we put it on. Now, if we save this, right, because now we have this Metafield attached, only the products that have the Metafield attached will show the text. So let's do something. We're not going to go back, just to show you. We're going to go back to products. We're going to go to the, I believe it was orange, okay, let's go back for a second here to see which product it was that showed so that I can show you. So let's open this in a new tab like this. We're going to go back to products, default products. And then, so right now it's showing the draft snowboard. Now, of course, we can change this and we can go to the men's beard oil and you'll see that it says this product is limited edition. But now let's go back and actually add it to a different product so I can show you how it appears. So let's click here, the 3P fulfilled snowboard. You see no text. If we come here, we're going to go to products, 3P fulfilled snowboard, 3P fulfilled snowboard. So we're going to come here. You notice the Metafield is empty. But now let's just type in here, test. Okay, so we have this test set up. So now we're gonna come back here and it's saved, everything is saved. So we're gonna come here, refresh the page. You scroll down here and we have our text here, limited edition. Okay, let's refresh this one more time. Okay, let's see, did we have this Metafield saved? We had it saved in there. Saved in here, everything should be saved. Let's come back here. Okay, that should be saved. Shipping and returns. There we go. So it just took a while for it to load, but you see that now the text is appeared there. So that's how you can use Metafields on your store to make it custom, to play around with your store. And you can do certain things, but I just wanted to show you that. And like you saw here, sometimes it takes a while. So you just have to give the system a few seconds, a couple moments for it to update. But I hope this was helpful for you to see a little bit about how to use Metafields. If you need help, if you'd like to implement this on your store, or if you'd like me to help you implement a specific feature, I'd be more than happy to help you. Feel free to reach out. All my information is down below, and I'd be more than happy to help. But thank you once again, and I hope this video was helpful.